Hey guys, it's a little later than I had hoped to get this up. I was having some issues with my sync share the other day, so I just was like, you know what, I'm going to start over. I'm going to start from scratch and redo this. So this is, and you're going to hear an echo because I'm in my bathroom right now, so sorry if it bugs you guys. This is my Tip Tuesday. So this is something that I kind of stumbled upon, and I feel that it's a very valuable tool that will be very beneficial for you guys. So I wanted to kind of walk you through what this is, and how you can use it to benefit your business. Because I am going to be using this a lot more. Actually, I'm going to be using this a lot more from now on because it's going to save on business supply order costs for me, which is awesome, because I do like mailing things to people. I do, but we're getting past that point now where snail mail, as they call it, is, to me, I feel like it's kind of becoming obsolete almost. And I feel like a lot of people are just utilizing, social media platforms, emails, or emailing and things like that. So this is what I have been using, and I hope you guys find it useful. So ignore all my tabs that I have. I know I have a crazy mind. It's just all over the place. So what I have been using now, and it is called issuu.com. So you can create a free account for this. And I found this through another director friend of mine. And I created an account like a month ago or so, maybe even a few weeks ago. I can't remember. My days blend together because like I said, I work at a daycare full time, so my days kind of like blend together a little bit. So this is a free. I mean, you can upgrade, but you have to pay for that. I don't upgrade. I just have the basic because the basic is all that you really need. And this is where you can upload content for your business, or excuse me, for your business. So like if I go to 31today.com, and it'll take me a minute, so apologies on that. Okay, and this is our new 31 Today, which we are going to be having some training on this tomorrow, training Thursday. So FYI, just mark your calendars for that, because I am like all new to this whole new TOT. So I have some training that I want to help you guys with understanding this new TOT. It's actually really, really cool. It just takes a minute to get a hold of. So back on track though. So we're going to go to marketing tools, and I'm going to download a PDF for you, because this system right here, you are downloading material from your 31 Today website and you're uploading it to this. And this is an online viewable program that you can easily share with your customers. And it's just really easy to go through. So like, let me kind of run you through this before I show you how to upload something. So this is our publisher home. You press this. This is going to be your home screen essentially. And it shows you how many reads you've had, which so far I've had 81. 253 impressions. Followers, I have none so far, but I'm still fairly new. So I can go to publications, and this is going to show you guys everything that I've published so far. And like I said, because I have the basic plan, it is free. So I've published our current 31 catalog, our new fall starter kit, our upcoming fall catalog, and then our monthly flyers for September and October. I thought I did November, but I guess I didn't. So let me click on our 31 fall catalog. So if you click on that, and then you click on the book or the picture of the book, it's going to take you to an online flippable copy of the catalog. This is awesome. So this is going to save you guys a lot of money in terms of postage, because you can easily upload this to your Facebook VIP page or your Instagram page, and you can share this with people, and be like, hey, this is my online catalog, take a look. And I mean, look at how easy that is I mean, people can look at it from their phone too, which is really awesome. I've had people look at it from their phone and they can flip through it, they can zoom in and take a look. I mean, this is really, really cool. And you can share this with anyone. Because like I said, I made a copy. This link is the one I made for you guys. And I'm actually going to upload another copy of this for myself because I'm actually going to add my shopping link to this catalog. So that's another thing I wanted to tell you guys that is really great about this website. So you can actually add your website onto different items on this, excuse me, I can't think right now. So hold on, let's start over. You can add your website to any item on these pictures and it'll take them directly, like I said, directly to your website. So let me go and show you that with our spring catalog because our fall catalog currently is not live. So I can't really do it with that yet, but I'm going to do that with our whole fall catalog whenever it becomes live on our website. So I'm going to click out of that. I'm going to go here real quick. I'm actually going to go to my, let me see if I'm actually on here. I don't think oh wait, maybe I am. Nope. Where is my, like I said, I have a lot going on right here, so I'm trying to like organize it. I'm like a horrible organizer, I know. So virtual office, let's go here. And then I'm actually trying to get to my website real quick. So I'm going to click parties, and then I'm just going to click on Kylie's. And then click on her link, and it'll take me to my page. So click out of this, click out of that, blah, blah, blah. We're going to go back to publication home. Excuse me. Come on, publication home. It's kind of taking a break. There we go. I don't know why it wasn't going home. Okay, so we're gonna hit publications again. And then I'm gonna click on the 31 spring and summer catalog because I'll be able to show you this. So, like I said, everything that is under my publication is are PDFs that I downloaded from 31. So all of this material from 31, I've downloaded onto my computer and I have uploaded it to Issuu. And it's super easy, it's super quick, and there's all these really cool features and everything that you can add to them as well. But the most important one that I think you guys are going to use the most of is adding your website to each item. So if I remember correctly, you go to Enhance. So here's Enhance. Then you add links and video. You're going to click on that. And I've done this with a couple of the pages already just to test it out. Because I saw, like, when I first started looking at this program, a lot of people were using, some people had their links connected to the catalog or they didn't. And like, I was like, I really want to know how to do this. And I finally figured it out. So like this first page, this is the first page of our spring summer catalog. It has 2 links and it leads you right to the Away for the Weekender. And I think that's a cinch sack, or maybe that's a zipper patch. I can't remember. There's 9 links on this one, 5 links. And this does take some time, but it is totally worth it because it makes it super easy for your customers. So I'm going to go to page 8 and I'm going to add some links. So let's add links. We're going to click on, so you're going to take this here and you're going to highlight it. And this is our zip top organizing utility tote. So it's wanting a URL. So we're going to go here to our website and we're going to click on, or we're going to search zip top organizing utility tote. It'll come up. Usually it comes up, but sometimes it doesn't. Whoopsie. Seriously, I did not put a number in. My computer is like not wanting to. There we go. Okay. Here is our zip top organizing utility tote. Look at that. Super cool, huh? I know, right? Okay, so you are, it'll load. We're going to click this link. I'm going to copy. I messed it up. We're going to copy and we're going to paste it right into here. Insert URL. We're going to hit done. Boom, we're done. Now, oh wait, hold on. This one's got like 2 items. Let me try this again. Whoopsie. So this one's got a small utility tote and a Benjamin. So I'm going to put it like right here for the small utility tote. And then we're going to do small utility tote. Let's try that. That's going to pull that up. I'm just going to do for those 3 items. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And then we're going to do it for the Benjamin. And it just depends. Like, you guys can go all out with it, like I do. Or you can be like, or you can just do like whatever works best for you. Like if you want to do, like just copy and paste like your general shopping link to each page, you can. I like to do it to each item because if the person really likes, like let's say they really like the Benjamin, a lot of time you want to make it really easy for your customers. That's how I've always done it. So, and you're going to hit save. So once you hit save, it'll save it. And then we are going to view this in Reader. And it's actually going to, so this is our catalog. They can download it too, but it's totally fine to have it like this. But I like to make it really easy for my customers because they don't want to have to scroll through a bunch of crud to get to one item that they want, you know? So I take the time to go and like actually set aside, like, okay, this is the away for the weekender. So, okay, here's like, for example, like pretend that I'm Susie and like, I'm like, oh my God, this is like a really cool bag. I like this. Oh, look at that. I'm going to click on that. And then it takes me right to the shopping link for my consultant. And look at that. And it takes me right to the item that I want. It's awesome. And look at that. Hey, look, it's my consultant, Brittany. It's Brittany. And then look at all that. It's super easy and it's like awesome. And then I can turn the page and it's got more items that you can click on. And then I click, there's more. I mean, this is a really cool function. Like I'll click on this and it takes me again to my website, but specifically to the large utility totes. So this is a really, really cool, beneficial tool for your business, Issuu. So I will be copying and pasting this website into our post for tonight. And then you guys, I'm serious, like you should definitely look into creating a free account. And it does take some time to go through and like add your link to it, but it really makes it easy because everything is starting to become more online. People are more interested in just doing Facebook parties or just something online and like sharing a link. I mean, this is an easy shopping link for your customers. You just upload this catalog, from your computer and you just add in the shopping links. That's it. I mean, I haven't done it for this whole spring summer catalog because that season's almost over. But for our fall and winter one, I'm definitely going to be, fall, because now we've got 4 different catalogs. For our fall one, I will be doing that for sure because this is, it makes it really easy for my customers because I party mainly on Facebook. So I do a couple home parties, but mainly it's Facebook. So definitely take this to heart, guys. This is like a game changer, I feel like, because this is a really good tool that you guys can use. I mean, if someone wants the Around Town tote, they can just click on it. I didn't add the hyperlink to it, but they can click on it and it takes them right to your page. I mean, it's super easy. I mean, it can only help you. So I hope this helps you guys tonight and stay tuned for our Thursday training sesh. All right. Good night, guys.